Hello guys, I've just released a new collection of sci-fi crates on Patreon for the $3 and above tier. So guys, I'm going to try to get more involved with Patreon, give more things to you guys, have more giveaways, and just more objects and items you can explore and more models you can explore to see how I make all these things. So you get this collection of nice little detailed sci-fi crates if you need have a sci-fi scene and you want to have a sphere object, little cylindrical object, little a water jug, milk jug type thing, and lots of these little boxy things. Medical crate, be sure to check it out. Link is first in the description. I also have OBJs as well. So if you don't have plasticity, you can just get them in OBJ format as well. And they're pretty well detailed here. You can go in here and assign different materials to all these little objects here. But of course, I do recommend using it in plasticity, because then you have the option to edit all of this. So it's a really good program to use, guys, for quickly adding lots of detail to your objects. So guys, link is in the description. Thank you for watching and take care.